YouTube, what it do? Fademasterlos here, live and direct. Got a good one for y'all. I'ma show y'all how to swap the blade off of the Andis Cordless Masters. Stick with me. Fademasterlos here, live and direct. Let's go. First thing first, you want to take off the blade. Just go ahead and unscrew them. Ooh, don't want to let that drop. When you take off these blades, you want to make sure that you don't lose any screws. These screws are so important. You want to understand how important these screws are. Now, I could have made this how to clean video, but I'm changing the blades out, so I'm putting on blades that's already clean anyway. Look at that. You want to make sure you clean your clippers off. Give me 1 second. Now, this was the old blade, old bottom blade. Now, this was the old bottom blade. We're gonna take this blade off and put this one on, the other bottom blade, the new bottom blade. What I usually do is pull it out from the back, like that. Now a quick little tip. Now, a quick tip while you got it open, you want to go ahead and try to get as much hair out as possible while you already got it open. And also, while you got it open, you want to go ahead and make sure you got your lever set to where it feels comfortable for you. And make sure you get it to where it feels comfortable for you. Now with this bottom piece, sit it on just like so. Have it sitting up like that. Yes, your blade is gonna sit up just a little bit, but once you put the top blade on, it's gonna sit down. Put that top blade on. I will go ahead and zero gap it down. When I say zero gap, I don't necessarily mean completely zero gap it like you do trimmers, but I will close the blade. I will close the blade just to get a feel for how close it could cut. Once you kind of got a good feel for it, go ahead and drop them screws back in. Before you tighten them all the way on, I'm gonna kind of adjust them just a little bit. got a good position on where they at, that's when you'll tighten them. Make sure you don't have any blades that's overlapping on them. While you got them like this, go ahead and hit the clean on them one time. They shot something very similar to this. As you can see, I put the original blades back on. I was rocking with the fade blades, but I thought this would be a good time just to switch it up and show y'all how to do it. How to swap back your blades on your Andis Cordless Masters. Like that blue light. Like that blue light. Appreciate y'all for watching how to swap your Andis Cordless Masters. Oh yeah, stick with me. Fademasterlos here, live and direct. Let's